What's good? Your boy is so excited for today. We're rocking with a GFB diverter valve. This is going onto the Mk6 GTI. This is going to help it because right now your boy's car has been whistling like MJ or something like that. And I ain't talking about Jordan, baby. You know, hee hee. And your boy's going to get that taken care of today. That's what this is supposed to solve, and it's supposed to help it hold that boost pressure much better. So let's walk over to the car and let's see what we're working with. All right, so we over at the whip now. We've already jacked the car up, put the jack stand under there. I always like to throw a wheel under there just for safety. Keep jack stand under there too, especially if I'm going to be sliding in and out of underneath the car. And the easiest way for us to take care of this is actually going to be from underneath. So let me see if I can get you a closer look at that. This is what we got to take off. And it's going to be much easier coming from the underside of the vehicle. So right through here. And on it, it has a couple screws. One here, there's one here, and there's one on the top side. So I just got to get those out of there and pull this connector off of here, and then we're all good to go. So I'm gonna start off with the connector. All right, gang. So we underneath here right now. Coming right in here. You can see we got this clip off right here. And that's the piece that we're working with. And when we come on this side, you just gotta get a couple of those little clips off of there, or little screws out of there, and we good. All right, so I finally got it out the car. Honestly, not too hard to pull it out of there. Sort of sitting in there just like this. So once I got it pulled out of the car, now we got to go ahead and switch these pieces over for the GFB pieces. So it came with some instructions here. And go ahead and put this together. Grab our valve. And we also got the pieces right here. Pull that out of there. Now that's off. We got this piece in here. I believe this is a revision C model. Remove the spring. Pull the shroud off. All right, so that just sort of popped right off of there. And now we're left with this piece. Now I just got to put the GFB parts into this solenoid body now. So we'll start off with the spring. Spring seems to slide into there like that. You leave this little yellow O-ring on there. So all I did was put a little bit of engine oil on there. Slide that into there. Now that's sitting in there. We get our GFB piece on here. Make sure that that notch up there in that corner is lined up with that little imprint right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right here. Just line those up. That's how it's supposed to sit on there. Take this larger spring. Set that inside of there. Take this piston. And it's going to sit in there just like this. I'm just going to go grab a little bit of engine oil and put a little bit of engine oil on the outside of this right now. Sit it on there. Take these screws and screw it back in. All right, so now we're just sliding the piston in. I already put some oil on it. Bang, now it's in there. Push this piece all together. Let's go put this back in the car now, and let's hopefully everything works good. Clipped in, all tightened up. Let's get the wheel on. We're gonna roll out. Again, we in the whip now. First impressions, let's see what it sounds like. Okay, initially driving, pretty smooth feeling, honestly. Wind this window up. Okay, boost is definitely coming on a lot quicker, like sooner. Just straight raw initial impressions here. Let's do a quick little second gear pull here. Let's turn this traction control off. Let's see what we're working with. Definitely coming on a lot quicker, a lot smoother. The car feels so much better, honestly. Like, honestly, it's much more controllable. I feel like before, let's ease it into this real quick. I would have to say it feels like beforehand, when you do a pull, it would be like nothing, nothing, nothing. Big wall you just broke down, and now you're pushing through it. Now it feels like it's like this smooth, gradual up pick, or like up pull in that boost. So it honestly feels much better. I would have to say, as for turbo noises, it sounds a lot more like tighter and firm. Like, it's real weird to say something firm about a sound, but it's like punchier. You know what I mean? Like a quick jab instead of like a, I don't really know. It's hard to explain. It's something that you got to feel to know, you know, how that feels. But I would honestly say huge improvement. I'm loving the way this is feeling right now. I'm loving the way the car is like driving right now with this in it. Maybe we can get one more pull in. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you heard that little at the end there, but the turbo definitely hit you with that a little bit of flutter at the end. That sounded good. That sounded real good. Feels really good. Just want to make sure that I note that we peaked at 21.6 pounds of boost just now. So the car is holding that perfectly. Feels good. Doesn't feel like anything's leaking. That is awesome. All right, and just like that, we're done with the GFB diverter valve install. Feels so much better. Showed you guys some quick first impressions of what I thought of it. Feels much tighter, feels much smoother. Holding that boost, no boost leaks, feels really good. Honestly, I would recommend this install. If you're having issues with your stock diverter valve, making that whining noise or starting to leak, make sure to holler at this GFB. I'm gonna try to put all of the links down in the description below. Make sure to hit those up. It helps the channel out, helps me make more videos for you guys. And I hope you guys are loving the content that we're putting out. Anyways, it's your boy. We signing out again. Make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button. I know the video is over, but it doesn't have to be. Go ahead and click on one of these other videos that's going to be up here, or go down below and check out my other videos. Anyways, we're signing out. I can't wait for you guys to see what we have in store for the Mk6 GTI this year, and also the different environments I'm going to be taking you guys to, like I did today when we went over to Pop Shop. It's your boy. We signing out. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough.
Got the package. Yo, thanks gang for 500 subscribers. Let's push to 1,000. Check out this cake. It's your fault. Join the team if you try and get down with the family. You already know what it is. More videos, more content, crazy stuff coming. Can't wait to see you in the next video.